For problem 4, we are identifying which of these equations represents an ellipse with foci at -2 and comma 0 and 2 comma 0, as well as having a semi-major axis with a length of 6 units. So I've gone ahead and added a coordinate plane over here, and we can sketch what we know. So we know that we have a foci there and there. Sorry, that was... And because of that, by looking at it, we can see that the center is right there at 0, 0. And we know the length has to be 6. So in order to make the length even on both sides, there is going to be intersects at both x equals -3 and x equals 3. And the distance from the center to the foci in the x direction is, when it's a major axis, representative of A in the equations we've been given. And the distance from, that's an unknown length, the distance from the center to the minor one is, sorry, I misspoke. This back here should be, I should be talking about the axis. But here, this distance is representative of B in the equations. And finally, the distance from the center to the focus, oh my god, is representative of C. So we can use the equation we were given, a squared minus b squared equals c squared, and plug in the values that we know to identify the value that we don't know in it. And we know the a value, we know the c value, but we don't know the b value. So if we plug in the a value, 3 squared minus, we don't know the b value, equals 2 squared. And then we can go ahead, I'll simplify this. So once I've gone ahead, I've gotten to b squared equals 5, and we don't actually need to go any further than that, because in the equation the b is squared, and that'll be these values down here. These will be so we can go ahead and cross out any b value that is not a 5. And if we wanted to do it with the a value, which is 3, the number that we would find over here would be a squared. So 3 squared is 9, so that works out over there. This doesn't have a 9 on the bottom over here, nor do these two. And while we already know that, actually, yeah, that's all we have to do.